Hello friends, we are Digital World Computer. In this chapter we will discuss procedures in PLSQL. A subprogram is a program unit module that performs a particular task. These subprograms are combined to form larger program. This is basically called the modular design. A subprogram can be invoked by another subprogram of program which is called the calling program. A subprogram can be created at the schema level inside a package inside a PLSQL block. At the schema level, subprogram is a standalone subprogram. First, this is a procedure and a subprogram can be created at the schema level inside a package and inside a PLSQL block. At the schema level, subprogram is a standalone subprogram. It is created with the create procedure or the create function statement. It is stored in the database and can be deleted with the drop procedure or drop function statement. A subprogram created inside a package is a package subprogram. It is stored in the database and can be deleted only when the package is deleted with the drop package statement. We will discuss package in the next few chapters. PLSQL subprograms are named PLSQL blocks that can be invoked with a set of parameters. PLSQL provides two kinds of subprograms. First is function and second is procedures. Functions. This subprogram returns a single value mainly used to compute and return a value. Procedures. These subprograms do not return a value directly, mainly used to perform an action. This chapter is going to cover all important aspects of a PLSQL procedures. Let's take a look on how to create a procedure. A procedure is created with a create or replace procedure statement. The simplified syntax for the create or replace procedure statement is follow. Create or replace procedure procedure name this is a single line. The second line is type, parameter name, and then in out both, etc. The next is or s. This is compulsory in procedure and as well as the functions. Next is begin. Procedure body. End. With the procedure name. Here p name is the procedure name. So this is the syntax of procedure. Here we create or replace procedure name, in out as the procedure function, is as begin procedure body, and end up with the procedure name. Now let's take an example of procedure. How to create a procedure with the example. And here we create a procedure. So we use create or replace and the procedure name is greeting as begin dbms output and we print the hello, complete the procedure, and this is the complete the procedure body, and here we complete the procedure. When we run it, it gives the procedure is successfully created. Here you can see this will show procedure is created. Now we will create or execute the greeting. It means we execute the procedure, and when we run it we got hello because we already executing the procedure. Here you can see in the output, in the last you will see the hello is printed when we execute the greeting. It can be executing through another ways also. We can create begin, we call the greeting procedure and the here you can see when we execute this will also print hello because it will also call the procedure. Through the drop command we can delete the standalone procedure respectively. Now let's take a look on complete procedure example. Before we going to create the another example, we drop the procedure. So we use drop procedure greeting. When we execute the drop command to the procedure, it will drop out. It means you can see here in the output section procedure dropped. It means we created the procedure with the name of greeting and it will drop. Now let's take a look on complete procedure example. In this example, we will learn parameter modes in PL/SQL subprograms. In the first example, we are learning about in-out parameters mode. Here you can see we uses in and out parameters. You can see both. Here we declare the function. We take three variables ABC, which is a number type. We create procedure. Procedure name is find min, and we create procedure types x in numbers, and these are the parameters mode. We begin. We create a PL/SQL function for finding the minimum function out of 3. So we have 3 numbers, and in this we create a logic here. We begin and we give the number 23 and 45. We uses the procedure find min ABC. A is the number which is taken in, B is also a number which is also taken in, and C is the out number. Out means it will give the output. Here we create the DBMS output. Minimum of 23 and 45 is C. It means it select and it finds the logic from here, and it will give 23 and 45. It means 23 is lesser than 45, so it will print A. Here you can see in the output it will print 23. It means 23 is less than 45. Here we have another example of procedures. We declare a number. We create a procedure with procedure command, and procedure name is square number. We give a number that is x in out. It means x is also in and out the number. We create the procedure is begin x assignment operator x into x. It means we multiply the number into 2 times and assigned it to the odd number. And begin a, we assign 23 square number, we call the procedure, and output of the square of 23 is here. When we run this, you can see the output here. Here you can see the square of 23 is 529. So this is also an example of procedure with in-out parameter mode, because it have in-out parameter in it. Parameters can be passed into 3 ways. You can see parameters number 1 is positional notation, like this is a positional notation. Here we can give the parameters in this way. Second type is named notation. And the third is mixed notation. Here we complete the procedures. Let's see the PLSQL functions. In this chapter, we will discuss the functions in PLSQL. A function is same as a procedure except that it returns a value. Therefore, all the discussion of the previous chapter are true for functions too. How to create a function? A standalone function is created using the create function statement. We use create or replace function and the function name. As we create a procedure through the create or replace procedure with the procedure name, same it is replace create or replace function with function name. Let's take an example to understand PLSQL functions in more detail. Here you can see this is a Oracle Live SQL command line prompt, and here we create the function. Here you can see we have a table that is with the name of EMP, and we select star from employee EMP, and it have employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date and salary, commission and department number. This is the columns of employee, and through this we create a function. Here you can see we create a function create or replace function with the total salary, that is a function name, and in the function name we return the number, and that is a total number 2. We create a variable, we begin select count star into total from EMP. It means it count the employee, return total, and it means it didn't add the salary. It means it only count the number. It will count the number of employees in the EMP table. When we execute this, the previous code, we got the function is created. Now we call the function through the calling function. Here we declare a C variable which is a number type. We input the total salary function into the C column and we print it out. Here when we execute this, we got 14. It means because we have total number of employees is 14. Let's see PLSQL recursive function. We have seen that a program or subprogram may call another subprogram. When a subprogram calls itself, it is referred to as a recursive call and the process is known as recursive. Let's see an example of PLSQL recursive function. Here you can see we declare the variable that is num and factorial. We create a function which is a fact type and the parameters are x. Return number, we will return the function into a number is f number. We will take the return value in the f number variable. We begin if x is equal to 0, then f assignment operator 1, else f assignment operator f into factorial x minus 1. It means we will find the factorial of a number, and if return f and. Now through this we can call the function begin, number is 6, factorial fact num. It means we will call the function and return the value in the factorial, and we will output the factorial through the factorial keyword. And here we end this. When we execute this, we will find the factorial of 6. Here you can see the factorial of 6 is 720. So this is the example of recursive function in the PLSQL. In this chapter we will learn PLSQL procedures, PLSQL functions and PLSQL recursive functions. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe, like or comment our videos. Thank you.